International. VP of Leadership Development, Mike Randolph, joins us from the corporate headquarters in Salem, New Hampshire, with more on the products and services that we will be offering through FDI International. I'll tell you what, Mike, without a doubt, this is the best time to be a part of FDI.
You're absolutely right about that, Jim. What a wonderful time to be part of Financial Destination and FDI International. It's amazing that we've got technology that allow people to talk cell phone to cell phone anywhere in the world and not cost a single dime. That's right, cell phone to cell phone anywhere in the world and not cost a single dime. But the technology we have, you can also talk on your mobile phone on a commercial aircraft coast to coast without violating the cell phone laws. I can't imagine how people are going to react when this stuff hits the street. In addition, some companies are charging for things like video conferencing. We have the technology, unlimited video conferencing, for free in our network. Also, you can do video conferencing up to 23 people for free inside of our network. And it goes beyond that and much, much more. If you want to see it, feel it, touch it, hear it, you need to be at the convention in Baltimore. That's it from Salem. Jim, back to you.
All right, thanks, Mike. Boy, I tell you, those are some unbelievable products and services.